You can have the marriage of your dreams. Yes, you can grow in your intimacy with your spouse. In this video, we'll share with you how you can fuel the love and ignite the passion in your marriage. Hi, I'm Dr. Elias Moitinho.
And I'm Dr. Denise Moitinho for Motivation and Growth. In this channel, we give you tips and life skills to help you grow in your life.
If you are new here to the channel, we invite you to click subscribe. We are the authors of the book, The Dream Home, How to Create an Intimate Christian Marriage. We wrote this book to help people like you. You care about your marriage and you want to experience the joy, fulfillment, and excitement of an intimate, lasting marriage. In the Dream Home book, we use the metaphor of a house to help you explore the various areas of your marriage, and then we provide tips and relationship skills to help you grow in your marriage.
So we use the house hunting metaphor to discuss the process that you and your spouse go through as you come together to develop a shared vision for your marriage. We know that when couples go house hunting, they're looking for a house to buy. We see that they have different preferences. They want a different type of house. One may want to pay a certain price for the house. The other spouse may have a different opinion about the floor plan, where the house needs to be located, the type, the model, etc. But at the end, we know that the couple needs to decide on buying one house, right? So that's the same idea. When you are coming together to develop a shared vision for your marriage, it needs to be one vision. You all bring your preferences, your thoughts, your beliefs, your worldview, but at the end, it is going to be one shared vision.
We also explore the concept of the location of the house. Yes, location is as important as the house itself, yes, because location provides stability to you and to your family. In the book, we talk about the metaphor of location representing your location in relationship to God and to your spouse. And also, location is where your house is built. And we talk about building a house building a home, building a marriage on a Christian worldview, a biblical worldview.
That's very good. And we talk about the curb appeal. And we use the curb appeal as a metaphor to discuss the couple's reputation in their family, with their friends, and in their community. And from a Christian perspective, we know that this idea of reputation is very important because actually it is our testimony, right?
Yes.
To others.
Then in the second part of the book, we do a walkthrough. We discuss specific aspects of the marriage in each room. So we open the door and we enter in the
living room where we discuss communication. It's all about effective communication. Then we move into the kitchen and it is related to feeding our body, mind and soul, and our relationships as
yes,
well. The office room represents management of finances and how we are on the same page about budgeting and how we are spending our money. We move into the laundry room and it's exciting because now we are talking about cleaning up conflict. And again, that's not only the only rooms we are going to, we are also moving into the closet where it's all about spiritual growth, growing together as a couple in our relationship to God. And the guest room is about hospitality. How hospitable are we as a couple?
And hospitality also helps create intimacy. And then we have the kids room that is about parenting.
That's right.
And there are other rooms, but you have to get the book and you read them now. The book will focus on the master bedroom representing intimacy, and we talk about multidimensional intimacy. It's emotional, intellectual, physical, and spiritual. Yes, it's emotional, a connection of the hearts. It's intellectual, a connection of the minds. And it's physical, a connection of the bodies. And it is spiritual, a connection of the souls. You may call yourself and your spouse soulmates. Mm-hmm. And we also have a chapter here where we talk about home maintenance, because we know that caring for your dream home is so important, we provide checklists. The same way you have checklists to ensure that your house is in order, we provide checklists for you to ensure that your dream home is in order as well. Here's a powerful principle that we have in the book. Every room of the home influences the bedroom. Yes, this is a powerful counseling principle, and it means that every area of the relationship influences the other. So what happens in every room of the home influences the master bedroom. For example, the living room is communication. If a couple has poor communication and they are disconnected emotionally, obviously it's gonna affect their physical intimacy.
If you have too many unresolved conflict, that is dirty laundry, right, Elias? Then you may be experiencing negative emotions and again creating a disconnect between you and your spouse, and the cycle doesn't seem to end. So we encourage you to maximize your interactions in each room of the house and give your best to your spouse in each area of your marriage, whether it is communication, handling finances, parenting. Just give your best.
And we hope you liked this video, and we believe you will love reading this book. Yes, we believe you will enjoy the book. Subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends, and we'll see you in the next video.